Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. We had another good day yesterday. I guess the Fed's not going to raise interest rates, and we were in the positive territories yesterday.
Yeah, you bet we were. The Dow was up 58 points, close to 23,435. We were up 140 points early in the day, but gave some of it away in the afternoon as technology stocks rallied, but then faded. It was a busy day with the ADP employment report and the end of the two-day Fed meeting. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury was flat at 2.376%.
All right, we got lots of news. Let's start with the U.S. economy. What are we hearing?
Right, the U.S. economy added 235,000 new jobs in October. That was much better than the 200,000 the market was expecting. Construction jobs surged, and manufacturing jobs also increased, but the gains were broad-based as nearly every category saw solid gains. Also, the gains were in both big, medium, and small businesses. This was a great report on a very important part of the economy. So,
all right, that's good news. Now, you mentioned the Federal Reserve. Let's dive in a little more. What's going on?
Right. The Federal Reserve concluded their two-day meeting yesterday with no change to interest rates as expected. Interest rates will stay at 1% to 1.25% range until December, when most market participants expect another 25 basis point increase. The Fed also said the economy's been rising at a solid rate despite the hurricane, so that's good news.
All right. And then what about Janet Yellen and the future of her?
Right. Well, the president actually is expected to nominate Jerome Powell as the next Federal Reserve chairman today, but he must still be approved by the Senate. He has been with the Fed for 5 years and has been a good ally for Janet Yellen. His nomination is expected to continue the slow but steady rise in interest rates, but with a little less focus on regulating financial institutions.
All right, so that's all that, and then he leaves for Asia, and then we've also got the tax plan that's supposed to be released at some point today. Lots going on with the markets to digest. What do you hear about today?
Well, today the Dow looks off on the futures right now, 25 points. We get first-time job list claims this morning and earnings from Apple after the bell. So I'll have to see how those earnings come out.
Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. Thanks for all the insights. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks for calling.
640 here, Big 550 KTRS.